ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति द्वादश अभ्यास 12th अभ्यास। पेज नंबर 24 चतुर्विंशति। Like yesterday and the day like Monday and Tuesday, today also we'll go quickly. Today, tomorrow, next week we're going to go quickly because all that we see in the next 5 abhyasas are repeats. We have already seen everything before. They are trying to get us more up to date because from 18th abhyasa Sandhi Prakarana will begin. So that is a big new topic. After that, Samasa Prakarana will begin. That is also another big new topic. Those two are the cornerstones of Vedanta Vyakarana. Vyakarana for Vedanta. Sandhi Samasa. So those two we will see. And of course later Pratyaya and Sutra. Those are also important, but that will be even later. First you will see Sandhi Samasa after these 6 abhyasas. So page number 24. Sanya Shabdani Vriksha, Ashwaha, Prasadaha, Yavaha. Prasadaha is Mahal, Ashwa is horse, they have given Ghoda. Yavaha, Jau, crop. Kshetrapalakaha, like person who takes care of the field. And Kshetra, Khet, field. Verbs they have given. Dhatu, Bhi, Dharna. So we say Bhaya. Even in common terms we say वो भय होता है उसका. Bhi, fear. Bhayam. In South Dravidian language is also Bhayam. Trai, Raksha karna. So we say Trayate. In Bhagavad Gita 2nd chapter, Neha bhikramana shosti pratyavayo na vidyate. Second line, anyone remembers? नेहा विक्रमनाशोस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. Second chapter, shloka number 40 maybe. 39, 40 I think. नेहा विक्रमनाशोस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. Karma yoga is so great that even little karma yoga will save one from great trouble. 1 second. Wait a minute. So, Trayate Shabda has come. Raksha karna. Ani, Lana, to bring. So, we say Jalam Anaya, bring water. In Mimamsa, etc., they will say that. Jalam Anaya. Then, Vr, Hatana, to make something go away. Varayati, Vatana. Adhi, I, Padna. So here in Vyakarana, this is an important topic that they have come up with, that we will see in Vedanta. They say Adhi plus I. Now this Adhi is called Upasarga. So in Vedanta many times, Adhi Upanishad Shabda is there. Upanishad Shabda is U Upasarga, U Pa Ni. Ni, U, Pa, Ni, Purvaka, Sadhatu. So that is Upasarga. It is before. Afterwards, what will come after the word will be Pratyaya. That will come later. So here, Adhi plus E is to read, to study. Page 24. Then they have given अव्यय शब्दस ग अतः इसलिए therefore अथवा.
So when we say pani lao, so would that be lot? Would that be like an instruction?
Yes.
So we are talking in lot there.
Correct. Jalamanaya pani lao lot. हाँ. So अतः इसलिए अथवा अथवा और वा अथवा same meaning अथवा and वा यदि if or यदि वेदांत in that case things like that यदि सर्वत्र सब जगह all places सदा always सर्वदा always अन्यत्र और जगह some other place अन्यत्र अवश्यम अवश्यम definitely will go. So they are given shabdas. I will quickly read this what is given in this Vyakarana. Vriksha Kshetrapalaka Ramavat. So Vriksha Ramaha Shabda Vrikshaha Shabda etc. सर्व शब्द के स्त्रीलिंग के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो. So this you have to see page number 74. We have already seen on Monday and Tuesday we have seen
I can look here.
एक निमिष. On Monday and Tuesday we have already seen Sarva Shabda Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. Today we are seeing Sarva Shabda Strilinga. So please see page number 74. Page number 74. Hariji, I will not ask questions today. Sandhyaji, if you have found, please read first four. Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya and Chaturthi.
Sure. Sarva, Sarve, Sarvaha. Sarvam, Sarve, Sarva.
Sarvam.
Sarvaya,
Sarvam, Sarve, Sarvaha. Not Sarva.
Sarva. Sarvaya.
Sarvaya.
Sarvabhyam.
Sarvaya. Sarvaya, Sarvabhyam. Sarvaya, Sarvabhyam. Tritiya vibhakti is Sarvaya, not Sarvaya. Sarvaya, Sarvabhyam, Sarvabhihi. Then?
Sarvasya.
Sarvasya.
Sarvabhyam. Sarvabhi.
Sarvabhyam. Sarvabhyam. Sarvasya, Sarvasyai. Sarvabhyam, Sarvabhyam. Like how we saw yesterday, Monday and Tuesday, we were saying Etasmai. Etasmai balaka, this balaka. Or Tasmai, there, that person. So, like that. Sundarji, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami.
Sarvasyaha, Sarvabhyam, Sarvabhyam. Sarvasyaha, Sarvayoho, Sarvasam.
Sarvasam.
Sarvasyam, Sarvayoho, Sarvasu.
Samjana. So today what is important is Panchami. Okay, Panchami Ekavachana. Sandhyaji, Panchami Ekavachana is what?
Sarvasya.
Sarvasyaha, correct. Sarvasyaha is Panchami Ekavachana. This will be important today. In today's session, this will come many times. Sarvasyaha. Or Etasyaha, Tasyaha, etc. In this same way. So that is what they are given in that first Vyakarana point. Like Sarva Shabda, Tat, Yat, Etat, Yeta, Ya, Eta, everything will go. Next, Kr Dhatu ke let, lot or lang ke roop. So like we have been seeing recently, two page numbers you have to remember on top of the original. Page 74 and today page 101. Page 101 today. I will only read Kr Dhatu, what is here, but keep in view because it will come again during the session today. Page 101. In the PDF it is 109. Kr Dhatu, as we already know, five lakaras are in this book. Lat, Lot, Lang, Vidhiling, Rit. Lang lakara is which tense? Yes. Online. Lang lakara is which tense?
Past.
Correct. Past tense. So this is clear for us. Okay. I'll read page 101. Kru dhatu. Latlakara karoti kurutaha kurvanti. Karoshi kuruthaha kurutha. Karomi kurvaha kurmaha. Karoti saha karoti. Te kurvanti. He does, they do. Karoshi, tvam karoshi. So these, why I am saying tvam karoshi, te kurvanti, etc. because this will come in our abhyasa in about 10-15 minutes. All these will come. Tvam karoshi, yuyam kurutha, aham karomi, avam kurvaha, vayam kurmaha. And then in lot lakara, karotu, karotu kurutam kurvantu, kuru kurutama kuruta, kurutam kuruta, karvani karvava karvama. So, tvam kuru, like how jalam anaya, bring jala. Tvam kuru, you do. Instruction or request. Lot lakara. Lang lakara bhutakal, past tense. Akarot, saha akarot. Akurutam, akurvan, te akurvan. Akaroho, tvam akaroho. Akurutam, akuruta. Aham akaravam. Akaravam, aham akaravam. Akurva, akurma. Then vidhiling kuryat. It is to be done. Advisable for him to do. Saha kuryat. Sa kuryat, kuryatam, kuryuhu, kuryaha, kuryatam, kuryata, kuryam, kuryava, kuryama. Aham kuryam. Tvam kuryaha. It is advisable for you to do that. Tvam kuryaha. For me it is good to do that. Aham kuryam. And then finally rit lakara. Future tense. Karishyati karishyataha karishyanti. Saha karishyati. Te karisyanti. Tvam karishyasi. Karishyasi karishyataha karishyatha. Aham karishyami. Karishyavaha karishyama. So if you have noticed one thing, when there is tvam, always it ends in sa or sha or nothing. You see, in lat lakara karoshi, she is coming. In rit lakara future karishyasi, si is coming. So bhavishyasi, gamishyasi, rachishyasi, khadishyasi, everything will be si. And karoshi in lat lakara, you are doing, you are eating. Tvam khadashi or khadasi in khad dhatu. Si or she will end in, will be the ending of madhyama purusha ekavachana always. If you see tvam, it will always this. Or kuru, nothing. Si, she, nothing. Kuru. So when we see certain words, we always, it is good for us to understand that these words always come with madhyama purusha. Kuru always will be madhyama purusha. Like how Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan says, 9th chapter, 27th shloka, I think. If anybody has the book. Yat karoshi. You see, yat karoshi. Karoshi, whatever you will do. Karoshi, here they have given, or karoshi, whatever you do right now. Lat lakara. Yat karoshi. Yad ashnasi. Yat juhosi. Dadasi yat. Yat tapasyasi kaunteya. Tat kuru. See, that is an instruction. Tat kuru shvam adarpanam. Bhagavan says, tat kuru. You do that. Or in other places also he says, that kuru. Yudhyasva. So you fight, Arjuna. Yudhyasva vigatajvara. You fight because of that yudhya. You do that fight because of this instruction. Lot lakara. Okay. Back to page number 24. So always lot lakara instruction. Like how Bhagavan gives Arjuna is an example. Lat lakara present, rit lakara future, lang lakara past. Vidhiling advising. We don't have to read all the niyama line by line. I will just quickly say what it is saying. So today is Panchami Vibhakti. So the first niyama, it says, from vriksha leaf fell. Vrikshat patram patati. From somewhere it fell. Because Panchami Vibhakti, as we remember, hopefully, page number 8, Panchami Vibhakti is for from and than. So he came from there. Rishikesha Nagarat agachati saha. He comes from Rishikesh. So this is Panchami Vibhakti. Panchami Vibhakti is also always from or than. Us, wahan se or than. Comparison is also Panchami. Then Bhaya or Raksha ke arth So, bhaya, chorat bhiveti, he is scared from the chora. Or chorat trayate, he is saved from chor, thief. Trayate mahato bhayat. In second chapter, Bhagavan says, नेहा विक्रमनाशोस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात् भयात् त्रायते भयात् इज विच विभक्ति त्रायते महतो भयात् भयात् will be Bhayat is in this case bhaya is the noun. Trayate mahato bhayat is saved from.
Yeah.
See Rama Shabda, for example. Yeah. Rama Shabda, page number 63. Yeah. Ramat is which vibhakti?
Panchami.
I hope online people are following. Ramat is Panchami, so Bhayat will also be Panchami. That is why in this Abhyasa this has come. Trayate. Trayate Shabda has come in this Abhyasa. Trayate has to come with Panchami. So Bhagavan has said in Panchami Bhakti Bhayat. Trayate Mahato Bhayat. When we read Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads, etc., we always see Vyakarana will be perfect, of course. And by reading that itself, we understand lots of Vyakarana. Then Panchami is also used for, he is studying from that Guru. So, Upadhyayat Pathati. Kailas Ashram, Kailas... yes, but Kailas Ashrame, in Kailas Ashram, Acharyat, Upadhyayat, Aham Pathami, Tvam Patasi. You are studying from the Guru in Kailas Ashram. Or Kshetrapalakaha Yavebhyaha Pashum Varayati. So this farmer, he wants to drive the Pashu, chase the Pashu away from the field. From. So Panchami Bhakti. Kshetrat, from the field. Kshetra. Okay. Any questions before we move forward? Okay. Continuing on page number 25. Udaharan Vakya. I will read all the Udaharan Vakyas, and then when it comes to Sanskrit Banao, we will take turns. Chase away. It is given on page 24. Hatana, third line. Vru Shabda. Vru Dhatu will become Varayati. So this is a good question. Bhiyadi, third point in Vyakarana, page 24. Bhiyadi ke kramashah ye roop bante hain. Bibeti. Vibeti is to be scared of. Trayate, saving, to save somebody. Bhagavan said, Trayate mahato bhayat. Karma yoga mahato bhayat trayate. Karma yoga saves one person from great fear, great danger, great problems.
Shashanat trayate iti shastram.
Shashanat trayate iti shastram. Anayati, bringing, to bring. Varayati, to chase away. Adhite, to study. Okay, now we go to page 25. Prasadat balakah patati. Balaka falls from mahal, tomb or building or whatever. He falls from that building. Tasyaha latayaha etat pushpam patati. Pushpa is falling. Flower is falling from patati. Falling from the bush or the creeper or the plant, whatever. Balakah durjanat biveti. Boy is scared of Durjana. Sajjanaha tam balikam chorat trayate. The Sajjanaha is saving those girls. Tam balikam. That girl. Tam balikam chorat trayate. Is saving from the thief. Kshetrapalakaha kshetrat pashum varayati. Kshetrapalakaha, keeper of the field, is chasing the pashu away from the field. Kshetrat varayati. Etam latam pashya. See this creeper, see this plant, see this bush. Kata. Ka kanyam pashyasi. Ka kanyam. Which girl are you seeing? Because pashyasi. Pashyasi is which purusha?
Madhyama purusha.
Pashyasi is Madhyama purusha. I hope everyone is following. Pashyasi is Madhyama purusha. So it is Tvam pashyasi. Tvam ka kanyam pashyasi. Tasyai balikaye palam yacha. So Tasyai balikayai. This is which vibhakti? See page number 74. Sarvasyai is which vibhakti? Online. Sandhya ji. Sarvasyai is which vibhakti?
Ekavachana. Prathama vibhakti.
No, not Prathama vibhakti.
Sorry, Panchami.
No, Chaturthi, fourth. Sarvasyai, right? Fourth line. See?
Okay, Sarvasyai. Okay.
Sarvasyaha is Panchami. Sarvasyai. So here the example is Tasyai balikayai. So Tasyai will be Chaturthi vibhakti because Sarvasyai is Chaturthi. So Tasyai balikayai phalam yacha. Give it to that balika. Saha karyam karotu tvam kuru aham cha karvani. This is which lakara? Karotu. Bhavan vadatu. Bhavan bhavati patatu.
Instruction, right?
Yes. Which lakara?
Ling lakara.
Which lakara? Ling lakara is...
Vidhi ling.
Vidhi ling is correct. See, ling, vidhi ling is correct. But vidhi ling is advisable only, right? Karotu is more direct. Vidhiling is little indirect, right? Vidhiling will be bhavet, kuryat. Karotu is lot.
Lot lakara.
Correct. Wonderful. Samichinam. Lot lakara. Ling lakara is... this is a good question. Vidhiling lakara is also known as ling lakara. It is not ling lakara, it is known as ling. Because in sutras, in Panini Sutra and Ashtadhyayi, there is a sutra about ling. Many sutras are there about ling. That other day we saw 3.3.161. Where all that ling lakara, that is vidhiling is used. We saw 3.3.161. Vidhi nimantrana mantranadhishta samprashna prarthareshu ling. This is for vidhiling. Vidhi, nimantra, amantra, all these are used in ling. That is instruction, invitation. Vedas say it is advisable for you to do. All these advice, etc. Samprashna, questioning. All these are used in ling, vidhiling lakara. And direct instruction like karotu, vadatu, bhatatu, this is all lot lakara. So saha karotu, lot lakara. Saha karyam akarot. Which lakara is this? Next line we are reading, 10th point. Saha karyam akarot.
Not to do, right?
Akarot is what?
Not to do, right?
No, not na karot. Akarot. See the 10th line in Udaharan Vakya, page 25, point number 10. Saha karyam akarot. Like apathat, avadat, akhadat, akarot. Which lakara?
Vidhiling lakara. No? Lot lakara only.
Apathat is past, right? Past tense. He read. Apathat. Akarot is he did. This is past tense is which lakara?
Lang lakara.
Lang lakara. You see page number... no, akarot. He did already. See page number 101. Lang lakara. Prathama purusha ekavachana. Page 101. Lang lakara. It is given akarot. You found?
Yes. Yeah.
Akarot. Lang lakara. Okay. Now we do Sanskrit Banao. We won't do everything because many are repeats, and many will be repeated again in 18th Abhyasa when we have to do Sandhi. So we will just see the important ones in Sanskrit Banao. So one or two in each.
This one, akaroho. So how, which...
Lang lakara.
It should be lang lakara.
Page 101.
Yeah, no, sorry. Okay.
Page 101.
Jump to that. Okay, it will come there. Okay, I'll look there because it follows the same thing as
the book will be useful.
I know, but I have to open all the packaging.
Okay,
carry on.
Page 101, akaroho, that lang lakara is given for Kridhatu. So now we will see Sanskrit Bhanavo. संस्कृत बनाओ पेज नंबर 25. सुंदर जी भवान वदतु. वृक्ष से पत्ते गिरते हैं. From the tree leaves are falling.
Yeah. So therefore, vrikshat, patram patati.
पत्ते.
So patrani patati.
पत्राणि पतति. सम्यक् समीचीनं. संध्या जी. So answer is vrikshat pattani patanti. पतंती. Okay. And संध्या जी घोड़े से बालक गिरा. How will you translate to Sanskrit?
This Ghoda.
First
Sanskrit.
page 24, second word you see.
Okay, 1 second. Ghoda. Ashwa.
Ashwat, correct. Ashwat. Balakah.
Patati.
बहु समीचीनं. पठति, correct, wonderful. अश्वात बालकः पतति. गांव से बालक आता है. I'll say this. गांव is ग्राम, right? ग्रामात् बालकः आगच्छति. सुंदर जी वदतु. वह बालिका घर से पुस्तक लाती है.
सह बालिकां गृहात् पुस्तकं
आनयति. सा बालिका गृहात् पुस्तकं आनयति. संध्या जी भवती वदतु. शिष्य गुरु से डरता है. शिष्य स्केर्ड ऑफ गुरु.
Once again, I'll say. Shishya is Shishya only, right?
Shishya, correct.
Shishya.
It is near the stove.
Guru या भयत.
उपाध्याय. हाँ, गुरोः शब्द.
गुरोः भयत. भयति, right?
They have given bhi dhatu. हाँ, we can say bhibeti. You know where it is given? Page 24 on the third Vyakarana point. You see, in that Vyakaran Sarvalam Striling Kr Dhatu Panchami is given. In that, the third point, भी आदि के क्रमशः ये रूप बनते हैं बिबेति.
बिबेति, right?
But समीचीनं, very good. गुरोः शिष्यः बिबेति. Okay, so we'll go to ख now. Okay, उस लता को देखो. संध्या जी वदतु. उस लता को देखो.
तस्य.
हाँ, ताम.
तस्य only, right?
ताम. तस्य will be षष्ठी विभक्ति. This लता को will be द्वितीया विभक्ति. So ताम, लताम. Latam. First you have to see which lakara this is. Dekho. This will be Dekho is instruction.
Instruction, 1 second.
Lot. Instruction is lot lakara, right? Dekho will be pashya. So tam, latam, pashya. Pashya. This is. You see that. Dekho. Tam, latam, pashya. See this bush. See the plant. सुंदर जी. द्वादश. इस कन्या को फल दो.
Okay, so इस कन्या को Yeah, no.
Etam. Etam.
Etam.
Etam kanyam.
Etam kanyam. Phalam. Etam kanyam phalam. Dadati. No. Etam kanyam phalam.
Okay, you can say dadatu. Sorry, the dadatu is prathama purusha, right?
Yeah.
Dadatu will be prathama, like karotu. So this will be the better way is to say yacha. Because dadatu, this madhyama purusha will be a weird word. It will be
saw it that da came in the previous thing.
Which is why they say yacha instead of they use the yacha dhatu, yach dhatu in this context. So you can say yacha. Sandhya ji, G number 16. वह बालक काम करता है. Which lakara? First, which lakara is this? That boy is working. काम करता है.
करता है.
हाँ.
करता है is current.
Correct. So lakara is?
lat lakara.
Wonderful. Samichinam. Lat lakara. So lat lakare वह बालक काम करता है. How will you translate to Sanskrit?
सह बालकाय.
Wonderful. सह बालकः. सह बालकः. Subject ना? सह बालकः. हाँ.
काम is
कर्म.
One second.
हाँ.
Lat lakara. I'll find it. करोति.
हाँ. करोति. सह बालकः कर्म करोति. करोति is prathama purusha ekavachana, right? That boy. Ekavachana. सह बालकः. Samichinam. I hope if you have questions in this kind of thing, it is good to resolve immediately, because it is like if you make one mistake, then the mind remembers that mistake and keeps repeating. So if there are any questions, you're saying?
Actually, it is the understanding. We are understanding in English, but converting into Sanskrit is taking time. Like present, past instruction is helping somewhere.
Yes.
And
it's
then
okay.
Thinking it in Sanskrit is taking time.
Yeah, it is normal, because it is like, for all purposes, this is a new language effectively. Because while we have been reading all these Gita and all for 20, 40 years, whatever, it is still like we have mostly been reading it without seeing meaning in depth. So it will take time, but still you yourself know, we all know, last 2 weeks where we were 2 weeks ago and today where we are. In 2 weeks we have made lots of progress. So in 2 weeks more, there will be even more progress. So, सुंदर जी वदतु, तू भोजन करता है.
So
त्वं भोजनं
खादसि.
हाँ, करोषि और खादसि. Both are correct. Okay. I will now ask lakara only. Okay. मैंने संध्या जी वदतु, last आखरी. मैंने काम किया. Which lakara is this? Which in Sanskrit?
Lang lakara.
Wonderful. Bahu samichinam. सुंदर जी वदतु 21 मैं अवश्य काम करूं.
So that is मैं अवश्य काम करूं. Future tense.
No.
मैं अवश्य
काम करूं. I should do.
I should do. So it is vidiling.
Vidiling.
Advice, no? मैं अवश्य काम
should
करूं.
be lot, because vidiling will be usually indirect, right? Vidiling will use passive voice. That is, it will round and round.
मैं अवश्य काम करूं.
I should do. Avashya is a direct, strong word. Avashya, I should definitely do it. This will be lot.
So then it will be.
Vidiling is acceptable, but in this context, it is more appropriate to use lot.
मैं अवश्य काम करूं.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, this is because in the lot lakara, you usually, it's difficult to, I mean, like Sadhyaji said, from an English perspective, you don't instruct yourself.
Yeah.
So therefore, when you come to aham, and then we get into that lot,
it is a little confusing, But generally, instruction is a translation that we use. But lot is kind of a direct thing to say.
Yeah. Okay. I should go to class.
Lot.
Lot.
It is good for me to go to class. Samichinam asti.
Yeah.
This is Vidili.
That is it.
Bhavet. It is good for you to be there. Like how we saw today in Bradanika. Bhavet.
Yeah.
It is good for him to be there, to do that. It will take time, but this is not an important thing, to be very honest. What we really need to know is Lat, Lang and Rit.
Right. Yeah.
When we see Vidhiling,
I have a
yes, one second. In Vedanta, we will mostly see Vidhiling rarely, in terms of Mimamsa and Veda. Then we will clearly know this is Vidhiling, because it is not Lat, Lot or Lat, Rit or Lang. Yes, your question.
Can we instruct self?
This is only Sundarji is asking. Can we instruct ourselves? Yeah, see, it is not instructing ourselves. It is to say that I should do it, I should go. Like, for example, let's say somebody told you to do something. Let's say your mother said you have to drink milk every day. And you are going and living alone and you say, oh, but my mother said that, so I should drink milk. Here is where lot is used. Somebody has used it in practical sense. Somebody has done it, we are following it. So then in that case, lot is used. So in that case, what will you say? Will you use Vidhiling or lot? You will say, no, my mother told me, so I should do it. It is good for me to go and study every evening. This is Vidhiling. Because it's a bit indirect. Lot and Vidhiling are very similar. Lot is just stronger. Vidhiling is a little more friendly. Does that answer your question?
Yes.
Okay. Which is what I was telling Sundarji also. Lot and Vidhiling, it is good that we are doing all this, charcha now. That we are thinking about it now. Because later on this will not come. Later on what will come is Lat, Rit, Lang. All this is going to come in Vedanta. As we see in Upanishad Bhashya also, where do we see Lot? Very rare. We see Lat and Lang a lot. Past tense, sometimes future tense.
Okay, when in Taittiriya Upanishad, when they say Swadhyaya Pravachanacha, that will be lot. Would that be? It's a clear instruction, right?
Yes, but we have to see what form is used, right?
Yeah.
That is
Swadhyaya, the word.
Pramaditavyam, right? Pramaditavyam.
Yeah.
You see here, it will be Vidhiling. It is like Kuryatam. Or Kuryaha, Kuryata. It is more Vidhiling than Lot. Pramaditavyam. It is good for you to do. Because it is not, in the Veda, very rarely they are given clear instruction. In Taittiriya, Satyam Vada. That is Lot.
Yeah, that is Lot.
Why? Madhyama Purusha, Ekavachana. Satyam Vada, Dharmam Chara. You see Kuru.
Yeah,
Kuru. Similarly, Vada. That is Lot. But Pramaditavyam, it's not Lot. It is good for you. Vidhiling is used often in other Upanishads, other Vedic Brahmanas, Aranyakas. In Mimamsa, it will come around. Okay, so we have seen Banao. Why it is tomorrow, Friday, we will again see Panchami Vibhakti. Okay, so if possible, after our session ends, even if you spend little 5-10 minutes just going through all the other abhyasas, tomorrow it will go very quick. But we will continue. Ashuddha Vakya to Shuddha Vakya. Ashvena Balaka Apatat has become Ashwat Balakaha Apatat. Sundarji, which Vibhakti is this? Ashwat.
Ashwat is Panchami.
Correct. Ashwat is Panchami.
Balakaha Apatat. Apatat is
Apatat, he Lang Lakara.
Lang.
Sandhyaji, Saha Guruna Pathati has become Saha Guroho. Sa Guroho Pathati. Guroho, which Vibhakti is this? He studies from Guru. Sandhyaji Bhavati Bhavatu. Guroho Pathati. Guroho.
Sorry, I was on mute. Panchami only.
Correct, wonderful. Samichinam. Pathati is which lakara?
Patati currently. Patati. Studying. Lat lakara.
Yes. See, you know, in Vedanta,
This
No.
patati still confuses me. Like
Okay.
past or present. T.
Okay. See, when it is past, the first letter will be a, more often than not. Okay. A pathat, a kurvan,
Okay.
a kadhat. See, every time the first letter is a, so you know it is past. In Vedanta, there is a question that comes in Brahma Sutras also. Purvapaksha will ask, how do you know you know jnana now? How do you know? Because you know this Brahma. So answer is, when you are hungry, who knows? Does anybody have to tell you that you are hungry? We ourselves know that I am hungry, I need to eat. Similarly, I myself know I have jnana, or I know I am Brahma. This nobody has to come and tell me you are Brahma. I myself know this eventually. Like that, we ourselves know how much progress we have made in 2 weeks. We know how much better we have become. Right? So more effort, we will become much better.
Sanjay ji, thanks to Akarsh ji.
Tasyai kanyayai.
Much thanks.
Tasyai kanyayai phalam yacha. Tasyai kanyayai is again Panchami Vibhakti. Give fruit to this. That. Give fruit to that. Sorry, this is Chaturthi Vibhakti. Tasyai kanyayai. Give fruit to that girl. Tasyai kanyayai phalam yacha. Yacha is lot lakara. Okay. टू गो को बहुवचन में बदलो. सुंदर जी बदतु ग इज ग को
सो वह बालक काम करता है.
बहुवचन एक ही. यू से वन.
ते बालकाम. ते बालकाम.
बालकाः.
बालकाः. ते बालकाः क्रियाम. काम इज
कर्म. व्हाटएवर.
So, te balakaha karma kurvanti.
करता है.
So करता है तो karoti. Karoti.
And in bahuvachana?
In bahuvachana it will be karoti is kurvanti. No?
Kurvanti only? Correct. Karoti kurutah kurvanti. You are correct. Yes. ते बालकाः कर्म कुर्वन्ति. संध्या जी भवती वदतु. तू भोजन करता है. बहुवचन में क्या होगा? तू भोजन करता है. यू आर मेकिंग फूड. यू आर मेकिंग ईटिंग फूड. विल से यू आर ईटिंग फूड इन बहुवचन. त्वम युवाम यूयम. यू आर ऑन म्यूट संध्या जी.
Yes. तू युवाम.
यूयम. यूयम बहुवचन. यूयम. भोजनम. Present. Lat lakara, correct. Which purusha?
Uttama purusha.
Madhyama purusha. Tvam. You.
Tvam.
So bahuvachana will be bahuvachana madhyama purusha kru dhatu kurutha. Kurutha, right? Kadatha.
Kurutha.
Correct? Bahuvachana. Tvam bhojanam kurutha. Okay, good. Bhavati eva vadatu. Sandhyaji bhavati eva 18. मैं स्नान करता हूँ. अहम. आई एम नॉट सेइंग अहम. आई शुड डू स्नान. अहम.
प्रथम राइट.
अहम इज अहम इज एकवचन. यू हैव टू मेक दैट बहुवचन. सो अहम विल बिकम Kurvanti is Prathama Purusha, right? You have to see Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha is Aham. Kurmaha, correct. Vayam Snanam Kurmaha. Samichinam. Always Prathama Purusha is for somebody else, that person, that boy, this boy. This is first. First in Sanskrit, that is Prathama Purusha. Madhyama Purusha is always you. Somebody says you do it, Satyam Vada. Vada is Madhyama Purusha. And Aham, always Uttama Purusha. I should do this. Always.
Names will come with Prathama Purusha.
Correct.
Tvam word with Madhyama.
Correct.
Aham, Uttama.
Wonderful. Samichinam. Yes.
And Sa word is also for first, Prathama, right?
Correct. Because Sa is, meaning in English, Saha is, Sa or Saha is he.
Person.
That person, he. So it has to be Prathama Purusha.
This I mean, like, revise one.
Yeah.
Prathama, Madhyama, Uttama.
Yeah. Prathama, Madhyama, Uttama, Sa, Tvam, Aham. And
Tvam, Aham.
whatever Dvivachana, Bahuvachana follows. Okay. Then they have said Kru Dhatu ke lat, lot or lang ke roop likho. We have seen enough. When you have time, it is good to write down Karoti, Kurutaha, Kurvanti, etc. It will stay in the head. Sarva, Tat, Yat, Etat or Kim ke Striling ke roop likho. This also we have seen enough. So Sarva Shabda fully if we see, especially 4th and 5th. Sarvasyai, this is 4th. Sarvasyaha, this is 5th. Chaturthi, Panchami. This much if we know, that is helpful. Vakya Banavo. Sundar ji patati.
Okay, so patati. So vrikshat palam patati.
Samyak. Vrikshat is which vibhakti?
Vrikshat is Panchami.
Savachana. Correct. Sandhya ji vadatu. Trayate. Dash trayate.
Guruai Shishya Trayate.
Guroho. Correct. Shishyaha Guroho. Wonderful. Such a nice example. Sentence. Guru is saved by Shishya. This is what people take generations to understand. Wonderful. Then next we'll say Riktasthan Baro Sundarji Vrikshat Patram Padati you already said.
Yes.
Balakaha dash bibheti.
Balakaha Ashwat bibheti. He was scared of the horse.
Ashwat bibheti. Okay. Chorat Sandhya ji Chorat.
Bibheti is better.
No, next is Chorat.
Yeah.
Chorat bibheti. Sandhya ji, you say 4th one. Yavebhyaha pashum dash.
I'll try this Chorat only.
Okay.
Chorat. Sajjanaya Bibeti.
Wonderful. Sajjanat bibeti. From. He is scared from. And one more thing on that Guru. Earlier sentence that you said. Trayate. The Guru saves Shishya from different dangers. So Guruhu Shishyaha Bhayat Trayate. Guru Shishyam Bhayat Trayate. It will be a better way of what you said. He is saving the Shishya from different things. So Bhayat Trayate. Okay. I'll say the last one. Tasyaha Kanyayaha Pustakam dash. So Tasyaha Kanyayaha will be which vibhakti? Sandhyaji vadatu. Which vibhakti? Tasyaha Kanyayaha.
Kanyayaha vibhakti. Panchami.
Yes. Kanyayaha. That is Sarvasyaha, Tasyaha, Kanyayaha, all this. So Kanyayaha. But in this case, because this we have to see this Shabda also. Kanya, Kanyayau, Kanyayaha. That is also Kanyayaha. So in this case we have to so it will be Kanyayaha only, because the girls are reading this is the translation. So this Sarvaha Kanyayaha Pustakam Pathanti, they are reading the book. But Sarvasyaha, that is correct. Tasyaha, Sarvasyaha and all is all Panchami Vibhakti only. Okay. Tomorrow, Abhyasa 13. Again, Panchami Vibhakti is important. Panchami Vibhakti will come once more, but it will come in a slightly different context. Tomorrow also we will try to go a little faster than today, and next week after we finish it we will reach Sandhi. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam. Yes. Question.
Evebhya Pashu. I want to get some.
Yes. Tell me. Yavebhyaha Pashum. Ha. Yavebhyaha. Which vibhakti is Yavebhyaha? Yavebhyaha.
Panchami.
Panchami, correct. Yeah. Yavebhyaha, Panchami is correct. Wonderful. Pashum. Dash. So if you want, Yava is field, crops. Okay. So if you want to, crops is Panchami. So from the crops, from the field, Pashum. You want to do something to the Pashu. What?
Friday.
Better is Varayati, to chase away. Trayate is to save. So will you say, I want to...
Evebhyam word meaning?
Kya? Ebhyaha.
Evebhya word meaning?
Yavebhyaha will mean field, from the field. See the page 24, fourth word. First line, fourth word. Yavaha.
Okay,
Yavaha is jau, okay, crops. And last niyama, you see, page number 24, niyama 31. Last line, Kshetrapalakaha. You saw that?
Yes.
Kshetrapalakaha, what is written?
Kshetrat Pashum Varayati.
Kshetrat. Where is Kshetrat?
Kshetrapalak Pashum.
No, what you said is correct, but where is this sentence? No.
Fifth.
That is correct. No, I am saying page 24, last sentence.
Okay.
24, last sentence of 24. Niyama 31, you see? Page 31. Niyama.
Kshetrapalaka Evebhya Pashum Varayati. Okay.
So, so Yavebhyaha Pashum dash. What will it be?
Varayati.
Correct. Simple, right? Yavebhyaha Pashum Varayati. Chasing the Pashu away from field. Okay. Any other questions?
See, when you say Yava is field,
Ah.
so it's Napunsaklinga, right? Yava as field is...
They have given what? They have given Yavaha, first Pullinga. They have given, right? Vriksha, Suchna, you see. Ka, Vriksha, Kshetrapalaka, Ramavat. Rama is Pullinga.
So when you say Ramavat and we are saying it's Ramebhyaha is coming, yeah, it's Rama. So it's
Yavebhyaha
Ramebhyaha is Chatur is Panchami and
Bahuvachana, right?
Bahuvachana. Yeah.
So from the crops, from the fields.
From the fields.
Yavebhyaha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayunam Sutrabhashya Karo Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murtibheda Vibhagini Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om